So today we're looking at a cookbook I found at an estate sale recently. The Typically Texas Cookbook, a collection of recipes by rural electric co-op members. And it's got an interesting little inscription. And she's made note of some certain foods within here. But it's from 1970. And we're doing the Dutch Meatloaf, which is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, a cup of dry breadcrumbs, 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, a half a cup cut up onions, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, 3/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons prepared mustard, and a tablespoon of vinegar. Lightly mix beef, breadcrumbs, half the can of tomato sauce, egg, and seasonings. Shape into a loaf in a shallow pan. Combine remaining ingredients into a sauce. Pour over loaf. Bake 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.25 hours. Baste loaf several times. Makes 4 to 6 servings. And this was contributed by a Mrs. J.S. Morris from DeWitt County. I'm not even sure where DeWitt County is in Texas. So this is a fairly simple recipe. Meatloaf usually is. Start with the beef, add the breadcrumbs, and 4 ounces of the tomato sauce, and a half a cup of chopped onion, an egg. Yes, I'm still using the glove. Salt and pepper, and start mixing. So this is a little bit different meatloaf sauce that I'm used to. It's very thin. It starts with 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, the brown sugar and vinegar, and then just mix that up. And once this is mixed, you just pour this over the meat that has been shaped into a loaf. I do see at this point why it called for a shallow pan instead of a loaf pan, because there's a lot of liquid there, which you baste periodically during the cooking process. And even though it has a very different kind of sauce, it would still taste like a traditional meatloaf. It was very good.